But Mom and I are also gonna make a really delicious pasta dish. And I love a dish that you can make in one dish, put everything together, and it just tastes absolutely delicious. Yes. Beside me, I have all the ingredients that are gonna go into our dish, but Mom has cooked the sausages about 50% through. Use your favorite sausage, beef, chicken, turkey, pork, lamb. I'm gonna cut this into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna put olive oil in the bottom. Let's get the pasta into that dish. I do have some feta cheese here, and I'm just gonna take my feta crumbles, as we say really well. I'm gonna use a couple kinds of cheese in this. So we've got some green onion. I like to use green onion in this. Hey, it looks pretty, right?
Oh yeah.
And the other thing is I have some fresh spinach here. I'm gonna add our sausage. I've got some beautiful black olives. These are a Moroccan olive, which I absolutely love. They're a little bit dried and cured, and they give a nice salty brininess. And then we've got tomatoes and fresh garlic. We want the sauce across the top of it. There we go. As Mom said, get the snow in there. We've got the sauce. Remember, we put some onion and garlic and our seasoning in this. And now, look at that. We're gonna put this sauce right across. And there's just 1 can of tomatoes in there. And again, that's gonna be about 30 minutes in the oven at 375. And I'm only putting across here probably a half a cup of cheese. I know, she's looking at me going, just put it all in, Michelle. There we go. I'm with you, Mom. You didn't even have to say it, I could hear.
You can read my mind.
I can read your mind, right? And I always thought you were the mind reader.
Well, I can too. I taught her well.
Come on over here, Mom. Celebrate International Women's Day with your favorite women, whomever they are in your life. Say thank you. Take the time to eat some great food together, listen to some music, or go shopping.
That too?
Yeah, a lot of women like shopping.